If your Roomba's brushes stopped spinning, you're not alone. This quick fix works for most models. Let's get your robot back in action. First, make sure your Roomba is powered off and unplugged. Flip it over and remove the brush guard. Take the brushes out. Are they tangled with hair or debris? Clean them off with your fingers or the cleaning tool. Next, check the brush caps and ends. These can get jammed up too. Pull out any gunk you see. If the brushes still don't spin, look inside the brush cavity. Sometimes dirt builds up there, stopping the gears. Use a dry cloth or small brush to clean it out. Still stuck? The brush motors might need a reset. Put everything back, press and hold the clean button for 20 seconds to reboot. If your Roomba's still not spinning, the brush module could be worn out. Replacement parts are easy to find online, and swapping them is simple for most models. That's it. Most brush problems come down to cleaning or a quick part swap. Now, you know how to fix your Roomba brushes fast and keep your robot rolling.